Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 12.3-inch QLED touchscreen spatial head unit for Honda Accord 28 to 12 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Open the box. This spatial harness and cables. This head unit. Let me show the cable at first. Okay, you can check this spatial cable for Honda Accord. And this radio antenna. This radio antenna. And this factory plug. You can check it's male plug and the female, and you can check this Honda Accord power cable. Okay, and this factory plug. Okay. And this GPS antenna. This connect our back of head unit. This power. You can connect this connection. Okay, this adapter connect to our back head unit, and this must orange wire pair orange wire, pink wire pair pink wire. Okay, you can disconnect and connect. Okay, and this you can check. AUX and this 4G LTE slot, and this connect our back head unit, and you can check this subwoofer RC type and microphone. And front camera, this amplifier 12 voltage, AMP wire 12 voltage, and the front and rear, left and right RC type. Okay, and this Wi-Fi antenna. There are two USB cable, you can check. There are two USB cable, connect and back to USB cable, and this USB cable. There are total 3 USB, and this camera back video input is IR and break-in, and this adapter connect AUX and the 12 voltage, and AUX media cable. Okay, Let me show header unit. You can check this back of header unit and OEM style design. You can check the site. You can check their radio antenna. This radio antenna, this is GPS and 4G. And this fuse, this connect power, and audio cables connect there. Okay. Let me connect the power connection on back of header unit. This adapter, this harness. Okay, you can check header unit will be start. This is high. Let me find something to fit. Okay. Okay, this front UI interface, this radio is 12.3-inch QLED touchscreen. It's a very high, bigger screen and high resolution. Okay, let me show it. Already built in the canvas in the header unit. When you back the home, it will show the home screen. And this OS very fast response. And then let me check the settings. It's under 12 voltage, under 12 volt. And memory total 8 GB, and storage total 128 GB. This back button also supports the steering controls. Wi-Fi, connect the Wi-Fi. It will show Wi-Fi connected and hotspot this mobile phone for 4G SIM card. There the SIM card slots on cable. When you back the home, and let me visit our website. You can test Baidu. Okay, no problem. You can visit our website belsee.com, belsee.com. Okay, and it's built in DSP amplifier. It's DSP amplifier. With AMP and sub out. Okay, and now we check the about device. You can check. And the factory settings. This is factory settings. You need to set the brake with 0. If not, it will can't watch video. You can check. Do not watch video while driving. So you need to set it in the settings. And let me check our website, belsee.com, and also let me check this auto link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, and this switching set the watch video. Let me check in the settings. Built in the Google Play Store, you can download the applications from it. Already set the brake. You need to save and reboot the head unit to save the settings. You also can change this boot logo in the settings, factory settings. It's very bigger screen already built in the microphone in here, the side. Okay, let me check. It can watch the video and you need to load the video. And let me check this switch and you can change it. Theme launcher. Okay, when you back the home or change the theme, also can change another theme. Choose it. Okay. Okay, change the theme. Okay, that's all. Thank you.